Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong capsule is now FDA approved.
Matamlay na ba ang sex life? Stress? Pagod at problemado? Wala na bang ibubuga pagdating sa kama? Red Alingatong! Red Alingatong! Para baliksigla ang buhay may asawa. Nakakatulong din sa menstrual problems, internal bleeding, prostate enlargement, sexual performance enhancement. Nakaka-regulate din ng menstrual cycle.
Red Alingatong capsule. Mabibili na sa mga butika. The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong capsule. FDA approved.
Red Alingatong capsule now available in the Subic Bay, Freeport, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Available nationwide. The Red Alingatong capsule. Gagaling ka dito.
The Morning Brew.
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 With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome to the Morning Brew. Coming to you live from the #1 tourist destination in Central Luzon for 11 straight years now, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. All right. And before we continue, we have a couple of invites here for you guys. The latest job openings at SM. They are in need of an accounting officer. This is for SM City, Olongapo Central. Okay? Accounting officer. All right. And the next job openings, client service officer, also for SM City, Olongapo Central. And building administration officer, also for SM City. Oh, this time it's for SM City, Olongapo downtown. Okay, so those are the latest job openings. If you guys want to apply, well, go there. You may go there directly. Okay, and next up we have this invite coming from Shakey's. They are congratulating the class of 2024, and for all graduates, free basket of flavored mojos. Okay, terms and conditions apply. Visit Shakey's now at the ground level of SM City, Olongapo Central. Also, Auntie Anne's Lemonade Mixers now available. Auntie Anne's is located at SM Downtown. There's also one at SM City, Olongapo Central for only 145 pesos. Different lemonade flavors for you. The Lemonade Mixers from Auntie Anne. Go try it, okay? And Isuzu Subic is on mall display at SM City, Olongapo Central from May 21 to May 27. Okay, so you guys check it out if you want to see the Isuzu cars and SUVs, among others, on display at SM City, Olongapo Central, May 21 to 27. And check out the carpets on sale at our home at the third level of SM City, Olongapo Central. Up to 50% off on the different carpets to choose from. Okay? Also, do check out the Installment Fest. Get the chance to instantly win back 5,000 pesos worth of SM Gift Pass. This is up until June 30. So visit the SM store at all SM malls nationwide. Okay, and those are the invites for you guys from SM City, Olongapo Central and SM City, Olongapo downtown. Right about now, here at the station, for those who are viewing us live worldwide on the internet, we have the students from Romblon State University. Yay! Yay! Ang saya nila. Yay! Yay! Todo na yan. Todo na. Oh, sige. Hindi nyo kasi siguro nakikita ano kaya. Let me show you. Ayan o. Oh, ha? Yun! You're live on 89.5 Facebook page. Ayan. With a high resolution camera, kaya kitang-kita yung tigyawat. Blackheads and whiteheads, pati an-an, kitang-kita. Ayan. Medyo ano, no? Baba na lang kayo ng konti. Hindi ko na ma-adjust. Okay, ayan. Romblon State University. Kamusta biyahe? Mahabang biyahe. Ilang oras, all in all, from Romblon to Subic Bay Freeport? Ilan oras kayo inabot? Kahit rough estimate lang, may 8 hours ba yung biyahe? 10 hours? Sobra pa. Mga 10 hours and 1 minute. 15 hours. Ayun. Wow, ang habang biyahe nun. Anong ginawa niyo sa 15 hours? Natulog lang natulog. Kain, tulog. Yung iba sa inyo, tumaba no? Simula nung kain, tulog Okay, so Romblon State University, I understand this is the main campus, right? The main campus is bigger than the satellite campus. Tama? Okay. Ang merong football field yung main campus. Yun. Alam nyo, isa sa barometer kung para malaman kung malaki yung campus pag may football field. Di ba? Meron, di ba? Football field. Tsaka sa gabi, sinasara yung bintana kasi baka pumasok yung buwan. Malaki yun. Malaking campus yun. So, anong meron sa Romblon State University na wala sa ibang school? Sige nga. Kasi hindi pa kami nakakapunta ron eh. Yung gusto pong sumagot, pwedeng pakihila yung mic. Kasi yung sagot nyo hindi naririnig sa ere pag walang mic. Promise. Ayan. Kindly pull the mic. Sige, hilain nyo. Ganyan. Pwede hilain yan. Anong meron sa Romblon State University na wala sa ibang school? Ang sasagot ay ano pangalan nito? Ivan with a double N or single N? Single N. Tapos siya rin single. Malamang. Taken.
Hello po.
Taken by aliens. Ivan, pare.
So siguro we are always bringing yung aming pinaka theme within our school, which is serving with honor and excellence. So ganun po kami from
serving with honor and excellence. Oh, that's nice. That's a good answer.
If you go to Romblon, yes, you know naman na Romblon is a marble capital of the Philippines. So you will enjoy their different kinds of crafted or sculpted marbles.
Yeah. Kala ko Holland. Buti nilinaw mo. Yeah. Marble din.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. But that's good. Pero the physical aspect sa school, ano yung meron sa inyo na parang wala sa iba, parang gano'n? Kasi dati may bumisita ditong school. Ang kakaiba raw sa school nila na wala sa ibang school, pato. Nagkalat yung pato. Ewan ko kung bakit. Pero it came with the territory daw. Nung naging school na yun, parang bahay na talaga ng mga maraming pato. Parang gano'n. O diba? Tapos pagka sa gabi, walang ulam, magte-text na lang yung nanay. Anak, wala tayong ulam sa gabi. Pwede bang dumaan ka sa restaurant malapit at mag-take out ka? Hindi yung pato pa.
Akala ko dadalhin nila yung pato.
Physical aspect, anong meron sa school na?
Physical aspect, siguro,
kakaiba.
Let's say, na lang, kasi more on ang ibang school is built from, yung buildings nila is built from different kinds of
materials.
So, sa amin kasi, since marble is one of our,
sabi ko na nga
so, marble made ang halos, structure ng pinaka-admin building namin. At the same time, meron kaming sculpted marble Carabao doon sa pinakagitna na.
Wow! Oo nga. Yun, there you go. Yun yung hinahanap natin. Kakaiba na meron sa school nyo, no? Since marble capital nga naman ng Romblon, so mostly yung mga buildings nyo, maraming nagholen. Gawa sa marble yung mga
nung kami kabataan pa siguro.
Okay, that's nice. Ayan. Tapos, how long has Romblon State University been around? Gano'n na katagal? Yung last foundation anniversary nyo, pang ilan?
I guess we are
founding anniversary.
Pang 100, ilan na ba tayo?
Oh, wow, really?
And nag-celebrate kami ng centennial way back 2015 as I remember. And
2015?
Yeah,
so 2024. Nag-celebrate na kayo for 2024?
Nag-celebrate na ba tayo?
Hindi pa.
Wala pa tayo sa Sanrocan ngayong
Kung 100 kayo ng 2015, magwa-109 kayo for 2024.
Nabawas.
Di ba?
Yes, 109, yes.
Hilo ka pa sa biyahe.
Nahilo pa.
Mag-109 kayo for 2024. Plus 9 di ba? 2015 to 2024. Wow! Tagal na pala, sir? Alam mo yun, na gano'n na sila katagal. So, we can consider you're among the oldest universities in the Philippines.
Yeah,
but
before, hindi siya, maraming tawag sa college before. Hindi siya Romblon State University. So, way back 2000 and pero
basically hindi naman na tinitingnan yun yung the physical school talaga ang pinag-ano na kung gaano nakatagal. Grabe, tagal na pala Romblon State University, galing ha. Okay. Tapos lahat kayo 4th year graduating
Yes.
Ayun. So pag graduate na kayo hopefully pag graduate lang pala, walang hopefully, sorry. Ano yung pinaka-mamimiss niyo pag graduate na kayo? Let's say sa school siguro, sa klase, sa yung iba pwede ring sumagot ha. Kayo naman namihasa kayo, pinasolo nyo si Ivan. pwede ring sumagot yung iba. Yan. Pero sige, ikaw Ivan, ano pinaka-miss nyo sa school pagka graduate na kayo?
Mostly naman, hindi naman talaga mawawala sa school is the friendship that you made from each other.
The friendship.
Yes. Kasi yan naman talaga yung pinaka Huwag kayong iiyak.
Sinong naiiyak?
Wala na.
Kayo pare, yung naiiyak, anong mamimiss nyo sa school? Sige nga, yung naiiyak nga, sagot nga. Kayo ate, ano mamimiss nyo sa school pag graduate na kayo?
Ano miss?
Sabi nang gamitin yung mic eh.
I'm calling Noemi Marquez po.
Ito. Pakihila to. Yan. Anong mamimiss nyo sa school pag... sige nga, pakinggan natin si ate. Anong pangalan mo ate?
Noemi po.
Noemi. Ayan. Sinong mamimiss? Sinong mamimiss? Ay, ano pala? Hindi pala sino. Anong
mamimiss?
Wala na pong mamimiss. Ano?
Actually po, para sa akin, yung greatest experience ko sa Romblon State University po ay ang friends. Actually, meron kaming squad. Yung tawag namin sa squad namin, kahit feelingera lang kami. So, tawag namin ay DL.
Ano na?
Dean's Lister.
Dean's Lister. Oh, wow.
Feeling lang talaga kami,
Dean's
pero
Lister.
okay lang kasi as family, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang Dean's Lister kami na aming mga selves.
Oh, wow. Meron din, yung Cruz family dito, meron din ganyang samahan DL
Actually,
din ang
yung
tawag
friendship po namin ay nag-start since 2021. So, start po kami ng grade.
Second year. Wala ka na sa
talaga,
Sorry,
no?
hindi pala kayo kasama doon.
Great
Ako lang pala
talaga.
yun. Like, first year, magkakasama kami most half of the classroom po ay friends kami.
Yeah. Pero some of them, totoong since elementary, kasama mo na. Parang siguro sa ibang
Yes po,
school.
yes po.
Wala namang grade school dun, no? College
Grabe
lang.
ka naman.
Yun. Nandito sila ngayon, yung mga matagal mo nang kasama.
Ay, actually, si Carl Stephen po ay a friend.
Sino?
Si Carl Stephen ay friend ko siya from elementary.
Since elementary.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ay, kaklase ko siya ngayon ng college.
Grabe.
Pero hindi kami friends siya.
Ni-reveal no?
Joke lang.
Classmates lang talaga. Okay. Ayan. So, I understand you guys are the first dun sa bus ninyo, no?
Yes,
May pangalawa pa.
Yes,
Ayan. Okay. So, I'll give you the mic to, siguro, a few minutes. Kung may mga gusto kayo i-greet, sige nga, greet nyo. Since, by the way, we are streaming worldwide on Facebook.
Wow.
And ayan, kung nakikita nyo yung live din on World Radio Garden and the other platforms pa. So, pagkatapos nito, pwede nyo i-replay, di ba? Puntahan nyo lang yung 89.5 page. No? Ayan.
Okay.
And I also tag your official, tama ba? Official yung natag ko, no? Tama naman, no? Yan, okay. So, a few greetings. Sige, go ahead.
Sa lahat po ng especially po the Romblon State University, kung makikita nyo man to, we are thankful as BSIT students na na-experience namin yung field trip kahit last minute na at hindi namin alam kung mag-graduate kami after nito. So, thank you po. And then, as the tagline says ng Romblon State University, BSIT is now serving with honor and excellence po.
So, it turns out may tama pala yung sinabi kong graduating hopefully. Hindi, joke lang.
Partly.
Hindi, lahat naman kayo gagraduate. Kung gagraduate kayo, kailan ito? May, June?
Actually, wala pa siyang
Final date.
tentative date pa lang po. So, wala.
Pero
pa
you
talaga.
only have a few days to go, no? Malapit na, no?
Maybe. Kasi sabi ay last week of May or first week of June. So, baka pag-uwi namin graduate na kami. Buo na lang kami ng toga.
Okay. Alright, sige. I'm not gonna hold you long dahil may second half pa. Maraming salamat for dropping by. This is the Morning Brew Show with the Romblon State University students. Yay! Alright. Ang saya-saya. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for dropping by and making Subic Bay Freeport and 89.5 a part of your stop. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po again.
Okay,
Thank
we
you,
will
thank you.
press play on the next requested song. This is King and Queen of Hearts from David Pomeranz, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio.